How to fix PS5 error screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix PS5 error screen, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you are facing the PS5 error screen issue, it could be, what are some of the reasons? If you're having a black screen or maybe your resolution is not set properly, how do you fix that? Well, number one reason why your screen is not loading on your PS5 is due to your power connection. So make sure that it is actually powered up correctly. If you try different TVS and HDMI cords and port, the PS5 console is also likely the source of the problem. If your PS5 turns on but your TV or monitor is black and not showing the PS5 interface, first shut down the console and turn on the PS5 console again. So you can just try to press the power button, or you can just go to the gear icon if it's loading, and then you can try to turn off your PS5 and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.